Good morning, children. What is today's date? 18/6/2020. Which class are you? First class. What is the subject? EVS. What is the lesson? Second lesson. Which lesson is this? Second lesson. What is the name of the lesson? My body. In this lesson, what is the topic? Hands. Very good. Welcome to EVS class. In the previous class, you have learned different names of body parts. Once we will go through the different parts of the body. Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, teeth, lips, tongue, cheeks, chin, neck, shoulders, arms, chest, stomach, hands, wrist, palm, fingers, legs, knees, foot, feet, toes, ankle. Do you remember these parts, children? Good. Today we are going to the next topic, that is about hands. How many hands do we have? Yes, we have two hands, right hand, left hand. For each hand we have 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Once you see your fingers, children, how many fingers you are having for each hand? 4 fingers and 1 thumb. So these fingers have special names. Do we have names, children? Yes. Like that only, these fingers are also having special names. This is a thumb finger. What is this, children? Thumb. For example, when you are feeling thirsty, how do you ask teacher in the class? First you will show your thumb. Very good. Do you remember that, children? Yes. Next, this is the picture pointer finger. Look at the picture, children. Pointer finger. For example, when you see something new, either in the TV or else outside, how do you show to your parent? Yes, you will point either the thing or else whatever it may be, either person or a thing. You will point. Yes, isn't it? So we call it as pointer finger. Once you look at this picture, children, how is it? Big. Isn't it, children? This is the middle finger. Once you see your finger, children, like this. Yes, isn't it? Is it not big? Yes, it is big finger. It is big finger than the other fingers. Next, once you look at this picture, children, what is here? What is the thing you can see? Ring. Yes. We call this finger as ring finger. Once you observe your mother hand also, for your mother hand, for that finger, your mother will have ring. That we call it as ring finger. Once you look at this finger, children, this is a little finger. Once you see your hands, in your hand, in all the 5 fingers, which one is little one, small one? Yes, last one is a small one. That is the little finger. For example, your friend is with you and you both are playing with some toys. So at that time, both of you want the same toy. If your friend is not giving the toy, What do you say, children? In your language, you will say kachi by using little finger. Isn't it, children? Once you remember that. Watch the video, children, once. Thumb, pointer finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Here, once you look at the textbook picture, children, we use our hands to write, to clap, to hold the things, to eat, to paint, to draw, and we will do so many things with the help of our hands. Here in this picture, what's the first boy is doing? He is clapping his hands. The next boy, what is he doing? He is painting the toy. Next one, what is she doing? She is writing something. Next boy, what is he doing? He is eating something. We can do so many things with the help of our hands. So this is what we do with the help of our hands. Take a notebook, children. Shall we start writing? Today we are going to write some more new words, okay? Yes. What is today's date? 18/06/2020. What is the subject? EVS. Lesson 2. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, my body. Start writing. Capital M Y MY, my finger gap. Next, capital B O D Y, body. BODY, body. My body. Finish writing? Yes, start writing again. First letter should be capital letter. Capital N E W, new. W O R D S, words. New words. NEW, new. WORDS, words. Next, first one, keep number 1. Start writing. First letter should be capital letter. HANDS, hands. HANDS, hands. Finish, children? Next, start writing. First letter should be capital letter. Capital C L A P, clap. CLAP, clap. Finish writing. Good. Next. Again, first letter should be capital letter. P A I N T, paint. PAINT, paint. Finished? Good. Next. Next. Start writing again. First letter should be capital letter. F capital letter, I, N, G, E, R. Finger. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Finish? Next. Good. Next one. First letter should be capital letter. T, H, U, M, B. Thumb. Finish writing, children? Good. Once again, I'll repeat the words. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. C-L-A-P. Clap. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Write neatly in cursive writing, children. Okay?